Have you ever found yourself in a tricky workplace situation, witnessing something that just did not feel right, and wondered if there was a way to make it stop? Maybe you have seen a practice that seems unfair, unsafe, or even illegal, and you want to do the right thing, but you are not sure where to turn. If you encounter unethical practices at work, you can and should report them to the appropriate government agencies. Taking this step is crucial for protecting yourself and others, ensuring a fair and lawful work environment, and upholding important workplace standards. The reason reporting to external agencies is so important is that many unethical practices often violate specific federal or state labor laws, safety regulations, or financial statutes. These agencies are empowered by law to investigate complaints, enforce compliance, and impose penalties on employers who break the rules. They act as independent arbiters, ensuring that legal protections for employees are upheld, especially when internal reporting mechanisms may have failed or are not trusted. The process begins by identifying the type of unethical practice you are observing, which will then guide you to the correct agency. For instance, wage theft or discrimination concerns should go to the Department of Labor or the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Safety violations are handled by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. If it involves financial fraud or investor deception, agencies like the Securities and Exchange Commission or the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau might be relevant. Gather documentation such as emails, internal memos, or your own dated notes, as these can provide valuable evidence. When you contact the agency, be prepared to clearly and concisely explain the situation, providing as many specific details as possible, including dates, locations, and names. Remember that many of these agencies offer whistleblower protections, which are legal safeguards designed to prevent employers from retaliating against employees who report unlawful activities. For example, laws such as the Whistleblower Protection Act cover federal employees, and various provisions in acts like the Sarbanes-Oxley Act protect employees who report corporate fraud. These protections are vital for encouraging individuals to come forward without fear of losing their jobs or facing other negative consequences. Knowing your rights under these protections can give you confidence in taking action. By understanding which agencies handle specific types of complaints and knowing about whistleblower protections, you empower yourself to address unethical practices effectively. Reporting these issues not only helps to correct an injustice but also contributes to a safer, more transparent, and legally compliant workplace for everyone, reinforcing accountability and fostering a culture of integrity.